Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have s, so I will put number 2 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides for this one. So we have to use du. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1 and we have ds. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. So number 3, we have number 9. So number 2 I will put outside. U and u we have u square. So in this situation, they should be like this. Next, u square multiplied by u square and number 2. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Next, the integration of this one. We have u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one is about number 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.